Hello everybody, welcome to my brand new video. In this video I am going to show you how to poke your friend on Facebook. If you want to poke or if you want to back poke on your Facebook, this video will help you. If you want to do so, first of all just go to here on your Facebook official application. You can see here it's my Facebook official application. So you have to use Facebook official application. Then just search here. This is the most important and watch carefully. So I'm going to search here box. Alright, then you will find such kind of interface. So before going to the process, I'm going to ask you something. If you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting new videos. Alright, then click on here box. Right now you can see here how many friends already poked you. You can back them. So I'm going to back them. Okay, so I backed them all. Right now I'm going to scrolling and you also scroll here. So then you can see here in this page you can poke your friend. You can see here and number of friends and you can poke them. Suppose I'm going to poke him, so just click on poke. It's very easy, just click on it and all are sent them. So right now if you want to search any name specifically, so you can just search their name. Alright, then you can see here the name already come and you can poke them. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you feel better. If you feel better, please just share this video and give like.